Oh. Hello, TechSavvvy. And today, I'm not sure what's going on with this computer. It's on, but it's not on. Tried this a couple times though. Give it another go. And it's not wanting to show. Alright, so turn it back on. And nothing. That's really strange. This is a spare setup that I have for a malware. I did the scammer video on this, and I think it just died. I'll try one more thing. I'll shut it back off. My. Oh dear. Okay, so that and then this. Right. Oh, one hand. McGee. Okay. Yes. And this one. Oh, got it. I think I got it. Let's see here. It might actually come up. Okay, there we go. Taking the battery out. Computer over. Right down. House is not gonna turn on. Close it. I think my voice probably messed up, but okay. Turn over. And go. Couldn't hurt it, nothing. It's possible. I can't see it, but possible that the string is dead. Yeah, real quick. Alright, so I'm looking into another potential issue that the BIOS version is causing the problems. Okay, so yeah, V2.3. Alright. Here's my backstory. My sister gave me this computer originally. She said it should give me a black screen. When I turned it on just fine, because it always has. So I figured, whatever. It's probably stupid. See, I have the Ethernet plugged in again. Because it wouldn't boot. I went to check it, so we're gonna go ahead and I'll look and see. You'll probably look at main and see that, and it's really good. And that's it, 010109. So we'll go ahead and exit discard changes. There come out, guys. Yeah. Not seeing anything. Some BIOSes need to update to fix issues like this. Sometimes it's just a hardware failure. I did have to wiggle the HMI cable if I says or not. And I had to show you again with it shut off and turned back on. Then it actually booted up. So they tested them off the motherboard slash graphics card. So I'll keep it, you know what, it boots sometimes. Sometimes. It's a nice laptop. I was gonna fix it up at the RAM, but I'm not gonna do it now. It doesn't look good. I'm gonna let the battery die probably and see if that helps. Cause I got it totally dead and it hasn't done it since like June. I guess it's only August, huh? I don't know. The date wasn't like that though. That's really weird. I guess I cut the video here. I'll update maybe one more time. Possibly, I don't know. I'll let it die. See, I don't want to let it die. Probably just use it, not charge it till it does die. I don't know. Well, hopefully this is the last part. Until nothing good. Take it easy. I thought you guys. I thought maybe there could be a problem with the RAM in the computer, because that could cause it too. Just too much. So, although I still do believe it's the motherboard, I'm gonna go ahead and run a memory check and see if it works. Which is easy to go to the start menu, to msdched.exe. I have it on my phone. I'll put it in the description. So that's gonna fire up, and it is 0% complete. I will let you guys know if I see any problems. I will be playing Call of Duty Black Ops 3 with some of my friends. So I end up being just pictures, but I'm hoping that it's just the RAM. Cause this is the nice computer, but we'll see what it is. Oh, that didn't work. Frick. Next time trying on test 86. Something I think needs to be more thorough to make sure. Cause I don't want to get a good laptop. It can be easily fixed. I'm saying something that, something different. The RAM is more broken. I was gonna upgrade it anyways. The motherboard's going out though, it ain't worth the $600. So, next we'll try to get Mentos 86 and let it run. I guess it'll be about 3 passes, that's what it says to do. And we'll find out for sure. That's not thorough enough. I don't think so. Then we'll try the CPU, and that doesn't work, then I'll just have to call it at that and say it's the motherboard. Alright, we'll try that next. Good. So it's like this morning. And you have the untested 86 disk in the drive. Now start it up. See, it's not booting off the right here, right? It's booting off the CD drive. Alright. So I've let it run for 8 hours. Or 3 passes. I can put 8 hours or per pass, or it takes longer. And I'll be back if I see anything. Or when the time that I use. Oh. Did it not record it? I did just shut it off. For about 9 hours. And nothing. Son of a bitch. But that'll be it too, guys. Really did. Next we'll try Power 95. And if that doesn't work, then I have a feeling it's the motherboard. But I don't know what the fuck to do about it. Now it's starting to piss me off. Alright, if we'll do it now or not. So a minute ago it kind of froze up a little bit. Like bad though. That shouldn't take that long. And it in the frame. Okay, it's here. 4 minutes. It's looking good. I know that causes a problem. So here's what I'm gonna say. But there's some things Doesn't see the cable with the big keys. That should be like good. Batteries, low straight up shot. The RAM is good. The hard drive wouldn't cause this. Keyboard wouldn't cause this. I don't know what to do. On this hot pro, can you use this with pro? Then it's gonna take about 6 hours for it to run. So I put, by the way, hitting Timothy. Tomorrow run that at 6 hours straight. I guess that's doing the laptop. Yeah. About 6 hours straight. I run that, I record that. Cause it's gonna take it there. And we'll see if that passes, the motherboard's bad. When that into voice doesn't need to, but I didn't want to force it. Keyword doesn't need to, but I didn't want to. Battery, same thing. I want to get a laptop and fix it up. So I don't want to rebuild the whole bottom part of the computer. Because that's a lot of money that's probably not worth. I should get a total. It's gonna cost to fix it and get it back to normal. And then see how much it originally costed, I guess. Go from there.